Hey guys, welcome. Doug at Doug's World Tour here alongside the highway, and we just spotted this pink house. The funny thing about this pink house is I've driven by here before and this was not abandoned. And I don't know how long it's been gone or vacated, but the windows didn't take long to get missing. I don't know if they broke all these out or what. Anyways, they have some OSB plywood there on the walls for some reason. Kind of dated wallpaper in there. Here's their door. Other bedroom. Yeah, somebody put this plywood on the walls for some reason. I don't know why. And this pink boat, believe it or not, was out there on the highway. And that's what used to catch my attention when I went by. Fiberglass. If anybody knows what that is, let me know. I'm curious now. Here's the kitchen. Got a washing machine in there. It's unfortunate that everything is broken. I really don't like to see that. Looks like there might have been an air conditioner. Boy, look at the bottle collection. Those are empty. Those are all 2-liter bottles. The door is open, a lot of glass. I have the same fridge right in my office. Yeah, what a shame. This was somebody's dream. My thought is they probably sold this property. There's a big cell tower out front. Here's a box of some kind of magazines. Let's hope they're not something adult. No. Software tools. The guy looks like he may have been a computer enthusiast. Maybe a printer there. Nice work table. I could use that, but I won't take it because we don't do that. Yeah, somebody came out here and just broke all this glass, which is unfortunate. Looks like the old palm tree hasn't been trimmed in a while, but it is healthy. Here's the cell tower I was talking about. It's right here on this property. That could be paying all the tariff for this place. It's funny how somebody would put a door in front of that door, like they were trying to keep this place secure at some place. Anyways, thought you might be interested in this. If somebody knows what that boat is, I'm just curious. It is a fiberglass boat. And well, let's take a quick trip over here to the shed. Somebody left their car out back there. A little white, maybe a Fiat or Saab or something. Well, these tanks, Craftsman tanks, they don't look too old. I mean, there's no dust on that one. Very strange. Obviously, that's their pump, their well. All right, guys, that's about all we can see here. The pink house along the highway here as we approach Needles, California. For now, and the pink boat, Doug, at Doug's World Tour. Out.